We start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. Okay. First of all, if you refer to our analysis, since the price was within this move, we mentioned if you get any reversal, we can look for buy. And as we can see, the price tagged this line and it couldn't break because we put this line. We mentioned the breakout of this line can give us. We want to see whether the price can break or not because as we can see a few times the price tagged, but it couldn't break. Okay, what does it mean? Either we can get a reversal from here, okay, and this is what we're looking for, and even we need to know the price break this one because if we put this one still, we can look for this one as a correction, internal flat for one more drop similar to what we get here. Okay, now the question is whether this is the one or the price can break this. Because as we can see, this is a support. A few times the price tag, but it couldn't break. That's why I mentioned any reversal from now we can look for buy. But we should know that if the price can break, we can expect the price drop quite a lot. Okay, this is what we're talking is about the tick. I mean, technically we can see that. All right, and in our analysis, there is no much changes in relative to what I explained in my last video. Any reversal from now, any buy setup, we will take the trade. Okay. By the way, we move to higher time frame. We start the daily chart. Now we're looking at this correction. For me, any buy setup, either the price break this line or not, I will take the trade and I will start to manage. And I mentioned if the price break this one, is I can expect the price even to drop to 0.0059. We are not looking for the down move. The only thing is if we want to look for trade, we should have the proper trade setup in case the price drop, because mostly if the price break this one, the next move can be quite a sharp. Okay, this is what we can say technically based on the experience we get. All right, but anyway, if we move to forward chart, as I mentioned, we're looking at this as a flat, and now we want to see whether this is a part of this flat, the correction, or this is the last move in relative to this. Okay, now the thing is we don't need to wait for the price to break this one before we look for buy. From now, any reversal, if we get if we get any reversal, we take a trade. And even if I move to 1 hour chart, how we can look for trade, having entry above this can be an option. And what we're looking for, we want the price to break and continue the price tag within the first hour. We see there is a no continuation, we take out the trade. Okay, because still we can expect this one to take this one and reverse. And the reasons we want to have entry above the top, we're looking for the sharp move. Okay, if the price continues a corrective, we are not going to have entry above this, similar to this. If we get any move similar to what we have here, we are not going to have entry above this. And another option, we look for the kind of sharp move flag, then we take the trade. Okay, because right now we don't have any trade set up. We're looking for the reversal, either with a sharp move flag or correction, or having entry above this. Rather than that, we don't have any other option. Okay, anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.